Good morning, my dear friends. This is Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi. I am speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priyaranjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. Today is 12th May. So let's know the importance and significance of 12th May. 12th May is a very important day, so let's know about it. So there are many reasons why we observe this day today. Today is the International Nurses Day. On this day, Florence Nightingale was born in Italy, in Florence. So Florence is a city also there. So friends, today is the day to remember her contribution because she is one who promoted the cadre of nurses. Nursing is a very important activity in healthcare. Without the help of nurses, nothing can move. The doctors and the physicians can work, but certainly the nurses are main, caregivers, and for that there is a training. There is a training at the A&M, GNM, and also at the BSc Nursing, Master of Nursing, Doctorate in Nursing courses. So this is a very important activity all over the world. In every country it is observed. In India also it is observed. So International Nursing Day is very important to really give importance to nurses, and let us congratulate all the nurses who are, helping the society, especially the patients, in a big way. This is about International Nurses Day. The other reason why we observe this day today is that today is the Hospital Day. Hospital Day is also important day. Now is the time when hospital is a very important aspect of our life. Because of growing pollution, many persons are getting indisposed, getting sick, having different type of occupational diseases. So Hospital Day is to remember the contribution of hospitals. Hospitals have a big role to play. Duty of the hospital promoters to remember ethics also, doctors also. This is found that even if the quality is very good, the charges are exorbitant. So it should not happen. There should be no exploitation. The government should have a control. Government should be honest enough to have a control. And the doctors are supposed to be honest in really treating the patients and having a code of conduct for themselves. So Doctors' Day is also a very important day. The other reason is that today is the International Day for plant health. Plants are everywhere. Because of the plants only that you have trees. So plant health is important. If you don't take care of your plants, you just sow it and forget about it, nothing will happen. You have to see that the soil has to be corrected. There has to be watering at the right time. If some fertilizers are required, either the organic one or otherwise, is also very important. So about plant health, all over the world researches are going on, and because of the right techniques only, the plants are surviving. There are many thousands of types of plants. So plant protection is an international and most important activity, and we have to remember the need to have the plant protection on a continuing basis. So these were the reasons why we observed this day today. Tomorrow about the other point for tomorrow. Till then, I thank you for your time, and may peace prevail on this Mother Earth.